Tropicana Atlantic City, New Jersey. Great location, right on the boardwalk. This was our first room in the North Tower. They were sold out, so we couldn't change rooms until the next day. Two queen-sized beds. Standard hotel setup, nothing fancy here. And just look at this spectacular view. Decent bathroom, and it was clean. We wanted a king bed, and this room was just a bit run down. So we changed room 821. This was a very large room. The bathroom is somewhat smaller, especially considering the size of the room, but it was perfectly fine. Slightly better view in this room too. Quite the floor space here, and with a couch as well. This room has a king-size bed. And here's that nice ocean view again. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. Thanks for watching. See you soon.